With the general availability of the new DX NetOps Upgrade Automation solution from Broadcom, A&I Solutions, a Broadcom Expert Advantage Plus partner, is offering a DX NetOps Upgrade Automation implementation workshop. A&I Solutions created the DX NetOps Upgrade Automation implementation workshop to help Broadcom customers deploy the new DX NetOps Upgrade Automation solution to automate the upgrades of DX NetOps dev, test, and production environments. The outcome of the workshop is an implemented DX NetOps Upgrade Automation solution and upgraded DX NetOps environments, enabling simplified and faster future DX NetOps upgrades. Part 1 of the workshop is the implementation and configuration of the NetOps deployment tools, Docker Container Orchestration Host, and creation of the Ansible remote host inventories and other configuration files. Part 2 of the workshop is the planning and testing of the upgrades using the DX NetOps Upgrade Automation solution for both dev, test, and production environments. This includes creating DX NetOps upgrade planning worksheets and testing the upgrades with the NetOps pre-flight playbook. Part 3 of the workshop is working with Broadcom support to validate the upgrade plans using DX NetOps Upgrade Automation, and finally, executing the upgrades per the DX NetOps upgrade planning worksheets. If you're interested in implementing the DX NetOps Upgrade Automation solution, A&I can help your organization with a successful outcome with the DX NetOps Upgrade Automation Implementation Workshop services offering. Please contact Stacy Ryan, Tony Davis, or Natalie Nicoletti by their listed email addresses for more information.